Risky is back. We are going to appreciate the importance to listen and follow instructions. This will improve our ability to listen and comprehend.
Happy birthday, Manu.
Thanks, guys. My dad has planned a surprise for us.
What is it?
Abracadabra, I'm going to perform some magic with you all. Would you all like to do some magic?
Yes.
Then listen up. Students, get ready with a pen and a paper. Listen to the instructions and complete the magic trick. Remember, unless you listen carefully, you may not be able to complete the magic correctly. In your paper, write the numbers as given on the screen. Choose any number from the table below. Circle the number and strike off the other numbers, which is in the same row and column. Choose one more number from the rest of the numbers and do the same. Do the same once again. There should be only one more number left. Circle that number, which is left out too. Add all the circled numbers and keep the answer as a secret. Now, I am going to reveal the answer that you all got. Ready? The answer is 112. Abracadabra! Wasn't that amazing? Did you find it easy or difficult to follow my instructions? What if you had missed out one of the steps? Would the answer have been the same? No, it wouldn't have. You would have got a different answer than your friends. So remember, it is important to listen to the instructions carefully when someone is talking to us.
Now imagine that your friend has given you directions to reach his house. He has said, 1. From the school, go straight down the road. 2. Take the first right turn. 3. Then take the second left turn. 4. Then turn right at the hospital. 5. You will reach a supermarket. My home is opposite this. Now imagine if you heard one of the instructions wrong. Let's say you heard the third instruction incorrectly. So, instead of taking the second left turn, you took the second right turn. Where could you end up? You'd get lost, wouldn't you? So, now you know how important it is to listen to instructions very carefully.